Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw this castle that you saw before. Now this is a very simple drawing and I am going to make it freehand. I'm not going to use any ruler or any kind of a stencil. My main idea behind this castle is that if you want to draw it, you don't really need anything else other than your pencil and your eraser. So as you see here, the lines are not really straight. When I wanted to draw this, I had this idea that it's gonna be like on a hill or a little mountain or something. So when you watch something from a distance, it's not necessary that the lines would be all straight, so it's okay if it is a little wonky. I just liked the look, how it was the ancient, and how the princess would be in the tower or something like that. So I did not give it a lot of details. I just added a few bricks here and there to give that authentic or maybe a little rustic look, if you may. Just pay attention, I would say, to the details. For me, that's what makes an image different. Like, all the flags are going to be facing in one direction. Try and keep the size of the bricks almost the same. You may go ahead and as you can see, the top parts, the bricks are slightly, like, it's a small drawing, but they are very slightly different in size, because when we are standing at the bottom, really close to something, it seems to be a little bigger. So keeping that in mind, if you look up to a building and it's like the 13th floor or a 14th story, so those windows would look smaller to you than the ones on the second story. So just keeping that in mind, the basic details, like when you do the shading, if the light source is in front of the building, so the color, as you can I'll be coloring it right now, so you can see that the color at the front peaks of the castle and the front wall would be slightly lighter than the walls at the back. It just adds another depth, another layer to the same drawing. Like, say for example, these lines, as I mentioned, these are a bit wonky. If I was to draw straight lines, like in the image on your left, you see I used a ruler there, so it will give it a much more structured look. So just go for how you feel. I didn't want to use any ruler as such. I just thought it looked nice as it was. So yeah, please leave your comments if you want to see more such videos. Do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.